Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing a new speaker, I'm unboxing a new colour for a speaker that's been hugely successful. The brand new Debut B6.3 in white. Now the original 5.3, it's a 5.3, it's a little smaller one. The 5.3 has been released now for probably a year. First released in black, and then actually there's a video, and then a colourway was released for walnut, and it's a lovely classic sort of European walnut, and it's wonderful, very very popular here in New Zealand. It added a nice colour tone to it. Obviously with the success of the range, ELAC themselves are then prepared to offer it up in perhaps some less popular colourways. You know, start with the low-hanging fruit, which is the black, right? Everybody knows what a black speaker looks like. Get a little bit more passionate and put a wood grain on it, that's wonderful to see. But white has also grown in popularity here with all manner of different speakers. So it's wonderful that they've taken the opportunity to take a reimagining of the colourways and offer up the Debut series in a two-tone, black front and a white casket. Anyway, let's look. With all the details, you can watch the old video obviously. So we're going to run through the basic elements. Look, they weigh 6-7 kilos. They go down to 20 hertz and up to 42 hertz and up to 38 kilohertz. They'll handle between 20 and 120 watts, so it's a very contemporary, easy to drive bookshelf speaker, and they sound wonderful, and they've deserved all of the 5-star reviews and accolade that the Debut range has been renowned for now. Nevertheless, like the previous colourway, we have got the packaging, ELAC all over the place. We've got scannable information associated with the model and serial numbers on one end, bit of packing information of course as well, a line drawing of the speaker and an emulation of the Debut 3 range and ELAC. An emulation of that scannable information on one end, and there we go. Opening these is really straightforward. They're held closed with traditional clear packing tape, so very very easy to get open. The speakers themselves are then protected with a big chunk of polystyrene and then rolling it over and lifting the box off them. Okay? Again, we're kind of doing this in fast forward because we've seen them before. Nevertheless, we see in the box the two grills which are sitting there positioned. They're actually designed to offer another level of protection if required. The grills themselves, they're in a dark grey, almost black, just a couple of those. In the middle, between the speakers, other than a whole bunch of desiccant bags to keep this product dry, we've got the owner's manual specific to the little bookshelf speakers. We've got a quick setup guide, although it does talk about some of the other range. And then it's got some stick-on sort of velvet feet, sort of that fluffy pad rather than rubber. And it's good to see that those accessories haven't been forgotten. And a nice, all in a Ziploc bag. We'll take one of those speakers and just carefully put it off to one side. And then rock that out of the packaging. They're sellotaped at the bottom, so they're actually kind of ready for the next stage. Get rid of the polystyrene. And then a simple nick on the sellotape that is holding this poly sort of paper bag. Carefully fold it open. We get a glimpse of the colourway for the first time. Taking that off. Doesn't that look awesome? So, stunning little bookshelf speaker in a brand new colourway. Again, that sort of two-tone design that's hugely popular. Nevertheless, we see their 1-inch dome tweeter protected behind a little disbursement management product, and the bezel that we see as it manages its disbursement into a room. Then we've got a mid-bass driver beneath. It's 5.5 inches. It's a woven product with a nice little dust cap in the middle. Very easy to move, very efficient from a speaker perspective. It's worth noting that these are 6 ohms, so they sit sort of halfway between some of the range of the ELACs at 4 and some of the traditional speakers at about 8. Beneath that, beneath this we've got again some management associated with the disbursement of the mid-bass driver into the room, and then right at the bottom the ELAC logo, brilliantly embossed. Again, I'm loving the fact that these are now available in such a mix of colours. They're hugely popular even in the boring blacks, but it's great that they have acknowledged that there's demand for some other colourways, and they've met that with such a beautiful finished product. Nevertheless, spinning it around, we see the basic design as far as depth. Again, it's not very wide. And we see a traditional rear-facing port, which sort of answers most of the issues associated with a bookshelf. You can still put them relatively close to a wall and not really have too many problems, but a rear port of course could be managed better, but for the price you're never going to beat them up for their choice of a traditional port. And then we've got a left and right, positive and negative connection in a 5-way binding post with a good solid fit and finish. Beneath the binding post we've got an emulation of the ELAC, the model referencing the Debut 3s, and of course the emulation of the serial number. So there we have it. Stunning, stunning new. White option of the brand new B5.3. Unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.